Hi students, today in this class we will do some problems on mean and median involving variables. Question: the mean of the following data is 27. Find x. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 8, p, 12, 13 and 10. Solution: in first column we will take class intervals, second column frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. In second column frequency 8, p, 12, 13 and 10. Now I will find the sum of the frequency, that is 10 plus 13 23 plus 12 35 plus 8 43 plus p. This is sigma f. Now next column is class marks denoted by x. Now 0 to 10 class mark 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Next column is f into x. So 5 into 8, 40, 15 into p, 15p, 25 into 12, 300, 35 into 13, 13 5s are 65, 13 3s are 39 plus 6, 45, 45 into 10, 450. So finding sigma fx, that is equal to 450 plus 455, 905. 1205, 1245 plus 15p. Now mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Mean is given 27, so 27 is equal to 1245 plus 15p by 43 plus p. By cross multiplication we get 27 into 43 plus p is equal to 1245 plus 15p. Now 27 into 43, 27 into 43, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 8, 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 10. So that is equal to 1161. 1161 plus 27p is equal to 1245 plus 15p. 27p minus 15p is equal to 1245 minus 1161. 27 minus 15 is 12. 12p is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, 14 minus 6, 8, 11 minus 1 minus 1, 0. Implies p is equal to 84 by 12. 12 ones, 12 sevens. That is equal to 7. Therefore, p is equal to 7. The mean of the following data is 50. Find f1, f2 where the total frequency is 120. Class intervals are 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency 17, f1, 32, f2 and 19. Now solution. In first column we will take class intervals, second column frequency 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Now frequencies 17, f1, 32, f2, 19. Now class marks 0, 20. Class mark is 10. 0 plus 20 by 2. This is 20 plus 40, 60. 60 by 2, 30. 50, 70, 90, Now fx, 17 into 10, 170, 30 into f1, 30 f1, 50 into 32, 1600, 70 into f2, 70 f2, 19 into 90, 1710. Now here I will find sigma f. 19 plus 32, 51, 68 plus f1 plus f2, that is sigma f. Now finding sigma fx. 1710 plus 1600, 3310, 3380, 3480 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. Now 68 plus f1 plus f2, that is equal to 120. Total frequency is given 120, implies f1 plus f2 is equal to 120 minus 68. Therefore f1 plus f2 is equal to 52. This is equation 1. Now mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Mean it is given 50 is equal to 3480 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2 by 120. Total frequency 120. Now cross multiplication. 50 into 120, 6000 is equal to 3480 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. 6000 minus 3480 is equal to 30 f1 plus 70 f2. Implies 6000 minus 3480, that is equal to 2520 is equal to, in these two 10 common, 10 of 3 f1 plus 7 f2. This 0 cancel, implies 3 f1 plus 7 f2 is equal to 252. This is equation 2. From equation 1, f1 can be written as 52 minus f2. So writing this value in equation 2, 3 into 52 minus f2 plus 7 f2 is equal to 252. 3 into 52, 156 minus 3 f2 plus 7 f2 is equal to 252. Now 156 plus 4 f2 is equal to 252. 4 f2 is equal to 252 minus 156, that is equal to 96. Implies f2 is equal to 96 by 4. 4 ones, 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16, 24. Substituting this value in equation 1, that is f1 plus 24 is equal to 52. Implies f1 is equal to 52 minus 24, that is equal to 28. Therefore f1 is equal to 28 and f2 is equal to 24. Next problem. Median of the following data is 31. Find x and y. Class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and the total frequency is 40. frequencies 5, x, 6, y, 6, 5. Solution. In first column, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequency 5, x, 6, y, 6, 5. N is equal to 5 plus 6 11 plus 6 17 plus 5 22 plus x plus y. Next, preparing less than cumulative frequency 5, 5 plus x, 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 6, 11 plus x, 11 plus x plus y, 11 plus x plus y plus 6, 17 plus x plus y, 17 plus 5, 22 plus x plus y. Here median is given 31. So 31 lies between 30 and 40. So this is median class. L value is 30, F value is y, and CF value is 11 plus x. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here median is given 31. 31 is equal to L 30 plus n by 2. Total frequency is given 40. So 40 by 2 minus CF, that is 11 plus x, by F, that is y, into 10. 31 minus 30 is equal to 20 minus 11 minus x by y into 10. 1 is equal to 20 minus 11, 9 minus x by y into 10. Cross multiplication, y is equal to 10 into 9 minus x, implies y is equal to 90 minus 10x. This is equation 2. Now 22 plus x plus y is equal to 40. Total frequency is 40. It is given. Implies x plus y is equal to 40 minus 22. That is equal to 18. Implies y is equal to 18 minus x. Now, by substituting this value in equation 2, we will get variable value. In equation 2, we are writing y value 18 minus x is equal to 90 minus 10x. Minus x plus 10x is equal to 90 minus 18. 9x is equal to 72. Implies x is equal to 72 by 9. 9 ones, 9 8s. That is equal to 8. I am writing this value in equation 2. Implies y is equal to 90 minus 10 into 8. Y is equal to 90 minus 80. That is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10.